In 1977, a machine was launched, a titanium time capsule carrying a golden record of humanity. Its name was Voyager 1, and its mission was simple: show us the outer planets. It did that. Then it kept going. For 47 years, it has hurtled into the abyss, leaving every world we know behind. It crossed the finish line of our solar system, the boundary we call the heliopause, and became humanity's most distant explorer, now 14.9 billion miles away. A signal just reached Earth, a whisper that traveled for over 22 hours. And the message inside is unlike anything we could have predicted. It describes a place no one thought existed, a cosmic boundary that is not cold, not quiet, but burning. A super hot, turbulent zone we can only describe as a wall of fire. To understand this new discovery, we must first understand the journey. Imagine our sun, not as a static star, but as a colossal breathing lung. It constantly exhales a wave of charged particles, the solar wind, creating a protective bubble around us called the heliosphere. This bubble is our shield. It deflects the high-energy lethal radiation known as cosmic rays that stream in from exploding stars across the galaxy. For decades, scientists envisioned the edge of this bubble, the heliopause, as a relatively calm, clean transition. A velvet curtain separating the sun's influence from the vast, dark emptiness of true interstellar space. Voyager 1 crossed that line in 2012. It was a historic moment. The signals shifted, confirming it had left the sun's breath. But recently, one instrument, a particle detector designed in the 1960s, began reporting something truly bizarre. The data was undeniable. As Voyager 1 passed through this narrow zone, its instruments detected two distinct, sudden spikes. First, a massive, inexplicable rise in particle density. The empty space was suddenly far more crowded than it should have been. Second, and most shocking, a spike in particle temperature that reached a staggering 54,000 circ text Fahrenheit, or over $30,000 Kelvin. Now let's be clear. There is no actual flame, there is no oxygen, nothing to combust. This extreme heat comes from the sheer velocity of charged particles. It's a cosmic traffic accident where the supersonic solar wind is slamming head-on into the slower, dense interstellar medium. This boundary is a collision zone. And according to the data, this isn't a clean edge. It's a turbulent, violent frontier where the raw energy of motion is converted into blistering heat. This finding completely challenges decades of theoretical physics. The key to this cosmic blaze is something called magnetic reconnection. Think of magnetic field lines like stretched rubber bands. When the sun's fields meet the interstellar fields, they don't just stop. They tangle, twist, and finally snap, releasing immense bursts of energy. This process is what powers the region Voyager is now sailing through. It's a magnetic storm converting raw energy into heat, forcing particles to accelerate to insane speeds. This intense turbulence explains the sudden rise in density and the jaw-dropping temperature. Voyager 1, with its simple 1970s technology, has shown us that the outermost layer of our solar bubble is not a quiet end, but a cosmic blast furnace. Now, over 47 years into a mission that was only supposed to last 5, Voyager 1 is running on fumes. Its power comes from a radioactive core, and its data transmission is a trickle, slower than the dial-up internet of the 90s. Every piece of data takes nearly a full day just to arrive. Yet, it still functions. It is still teaching us. The science here is profound. Understanding this wall of fire helps us understand how all stars interact with the galaxy. It also provides critical insights into the nature of the cosmic shield that protects Earth and makes life possible. If this boundary is turbulent, its ability to deflect dangerous radiation is more complex than we thought. A crucial detail for planning the long-duration human space missions of the future. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It is our final, fading messenger. And from the darkness of interstellar space, it just sent us one last fiery postcard, reminding us that even at the universe's farthest doorstep, there is still so much we don't know. 14.9 billion miles. a distance almost impossible to comprehend. But the journey continues. What does the existence of this fiery boundary mean for the future of space travel? Do other stars have similar shields? Let me know your theories in the comments below. If this story of humanity's greatest journey into the deep unknown fascinated you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries. And watch this video next to learn about Voyager's twin, Voyager 2. Thank you for watching.